Yeah, in this video, I want to answer and take you step by step. How do I get my Solana private key in Solana CLI? So I will take you step by step and we'll do it together in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, like I said, how do you get your Solana private key in Solana CLI? I don't know, maybe if you know in the comment you can, but I don't think there's any command you can use to get it. Instead, you need to let's do some sheet code or something like that to see. So if you pull in your terminal and then first Solana version to confirm you have your CLI installed, then to know if you have a wallet, because without having a wallet, Solana config get. So this give you a summary of the status of your CLI, so you can know if it's on DivNet or mainnet and things like that. So then this key pair part, this key pair is just like is your private key in a JSON format. So if you can get this, so you just need to look at it, look for where it is. And for example, I have here if you can see it now, inside the .config.solana, so just follow the path that come out, then you'll be able to identify the location, and then you, if you have created multiple one, you can see. So any one of them that you see there, all you need to do is just to open it up, and then you have access to the private key. So once you open it up, for example, if I open this .json, you will get something like this. So this is your private key. So all you need is control and copy everything, and then keep it wherever you want to keep it, or you are importing it to another wallet. All those things, I've also done video about it. You can check it. So that's in some way how you can. Majorly, like what I was saying is, I don't think there's any like command you can use directly that will put it for you. So it may be if there is, but I don't think that's official, maybe because of security wise. So that's why I don't. But if there's any, you can point me to the official. You can't just send any command, I won't use it. So, but if you can point me to the official documentation of Solana, yeah, developer guide that has that, then, but at least for my own knowledge, there's none. So that's how you can get. Just click on it, and then you have your Solana private key for your Solana CLI wallet there, right? So is that helpful? Let me know in the comment. Share experience as well. If you like the video, like, subscribe, tap notification bell, share on your social media, and want me to keep on what I'm doing, please support with donation. Recommend for grant, partnership to create helpful. If you have developer related platform, you have blockchain or protocol or platform that you want guide, helpful guide, detailed guide on features and things for developer to easily follow, then that is what I do here and for you on the Programming University platform. You can have it in courses, you can have it in guide, see detailed guides for you. So you can just reach out to partner as well. So that's it for this video, and keep the program spirit and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming knowledge and not evil, to make the world and universe a better place for us all. See you in the next one. Peace.